Mali kayo. Delayed sila. Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, gagawa naman tayo ng fish dish. So basically, it's baked cobbler fish. If you look at cobbler, actually very similar siya sa cream dory. To be honest, di ako magpapakagaling. Hindi ko rin alam yung difference. So, but my theory is, kasi nga cream dory really originated from, I think it started about early 2000, nung medyo nauuso yung cream dory. Originally, it pretty much, I think nanggaling siya sa Mekong River, which is around Laos and Vietnam. Tama ba yung geography ko? But I know, started, lahat ng cream dory came from Vietnam. But, nowadays, I guess may nagpo-propagate na, ibig sabihin may nag-grow dito sa Philippines or may nagpa-farm. So, it might be they're calling it cobbler, no? But cream dory is kind of a cobbler fish. It's from the same family. So this one, ang nakasulat sa label is cobbler fish. So pretty easy. I don't know if you remember our recipe with macaroni. Remember we had the corned beef macaroni and gumawa tayo ng bechamel. And since we're shooting it all in the same day, tinira ko na yung ating bechamel. Okay? Pretty much review nyo na lang yon para how to make bechamel sauce. But this is fairly simple. And then, in our past recipe demos also, remember, I told you, I keep all my mga chopped na herbs na natitira. So, ito, mag-ano na to, mag-go 1 month and a half na. So, basically, we're just gonna marinate it with the fish, and fry it, top it with bechamel, top it with cheese. That's gonna be your baked fish. Why are we teaching this? Because it's ideal. Especially, kunyari, meron kayong handa sa family, it can keep. Ibig sabihin, kunyari, medyo hindi siya temperature sensitive. Kung medyo lumamig pa siya ng konti, very palatable pa siya. Masarap pa rin yung lasa. And it's something na pwede mo ginawa in advance. Bigla dumating yung bisita, gaganin mo na lang sa oven toaster. E ito na, di ba? Tadan! Or, you can freeze it. Just like the macaroni, you can freeze it. So, this is something you can also freeze. No? So, I think, yun lang yung gusto ko ituro. Sometimes, maganda yung alam natin yung mga fish or dishes na pwedeng i-freeze. Wait lang, let me get this. So, na-drain. Let me just pat dry the fish. Just to make sure it's, yeah, I'm just gonna absorb all the oil para when we pan fry it, it's easy. No? Kasi kung medyo basa-basa siya, tapos you mix it with oil, edi parang hindi na pan fry yung effect niya. Parang binoil mo na kasi may tubig, di ba? That's one of the reasons why we're drying it. So, very mataas ang water content nito, ng fish na to, even ang cream dory. This is called cobbler, but for me, really, it looks the same. I really don't know the difference. I hope if somebody can explain it, that would be great, but it looks the same, but the package says cobbler fish. There. So, basically, I'm just gonna salt. So, tapos in-explain ko na nga why do we use Himalayan salt for our joints. It has a lot of benefits. It has minerals kasi. So that's why we utilize this. I'm gonna marinate one side. Habol ko lang yung isang side. So ito lang, oh. So ito, see? There. So there. Ano mangyayari? Kunyari wala naman kayong ganito na dried herbs. Pwede namang Italian seasoning. Or pwede naman dill, no? Or parsley. So, let's go to the stove. So, there. So, I'm not gonna put oil kasi may oil na yung fish, no? So, one of the reasons why isang side lang yung marinate ko kasi it will be the side na ilalapag ko. And then, once it's there, I'll just keep on adding our seasoning. So, very easy. And then, we would need a Pyrex. Tapos, this is where we're gonna cover up with a bechamel, top it with cheese. Actually, everything you cook with cheese is just so good. Imposible lang hindi masarap, right? I think sinabi ko na yun before na meron bang taong hindi mahilig sa cheese. Parang wala ata di ba? Medyo. So there, I'm going to put salt and pepper while it's frying. Habol ko dito. The cheese we'll be using here is just quick melt cheese. Yung pang-melt ko. But syempre, kung may budget naman yung mozzarella, why not? Pero parang for me, okay ako sa quick melt cheese kasi mayroon siyang alat. And ayoko nang masyadong neutral tasting na cheese. When I say neutral, yung parang very milky, very creamy, but flat, which is like how mozzarella is. So I'm just using quick melt cheese. Ibang spoon na ito, ha? Ayan. Hindi ako nag-double dip, ha? Ibang spoon ko. Baka lang akala nyo double dip ako. Diba? Sa mga ano lang dyan, sanitation freak or food sanitation freak, hindi ako nag-double dip, ha? So here, don't worry so much if it's not fully cooked because magkukook through ko siya sa oven, diba? Ang dali lang, diba? Salt, pepper, herbs, oil. Kung gusto niyo pang mas fattening, pwedeng butter or flavored star margarine, pwede. So you can make your own variations. This one, because ito nga yung herb natin is parsley, tarragon, marjoram, I think I have. But whatever you have at home, no? So you can make your own variation. It could even be dried tarragon. It could be dried thyme. It will work well. What else will work well? Italian seasoning will work also. Mas maganda yun eh. Hindi nabubulok, diba? Yung mga ganito. Yan, no? You can make thyme. You can make tarragon. So I keep some pa rin. Hindi naman all the time merong fresh, no? So it's probably about 2 minutes on each side. And then, maybe another minute, I'm gonna put it here. Ganun lang kadali. So, but, on the same pan, I'm just going to be sauteing garlic a little bit. Kasi parang, it might be too strong or too potent if yung raw garlic idiretso ko on top of the bechamel and hindi mag-cook through. So, I'm just gonna saute it a little bit more, no? So, there. So, here, kung makikita mo nyo, it's still raw inside. I'm not gonna pretend that it's cooked. Because it's not. Here, I'm just gonna saute para medyo luto. You don't want it naman na sobrang raw. It will be too spicy. And then, yung bechamel, here, yung bechamel na naluto natin. Diba? Galing sa ating macaroni. Remember our macaroni recipe? Yan. So, itong bechamel, diba, we made it with our corned beef macaroni. You know, in fact, you can even keep it in the ref. Diba? You don't have to use it all up just because you made it na. Pwede mo naman taguin sa ref eh. If hindi mo pa gagamitin. So, there. So, I just put it there. So, nakamix ang ating garlic. Okay. What if tinatamad kayo mag-bechamel? Yes, you may use cream if you wish. But it might be, but you might have to add a little bit of cheese on it. So, there you go. So, cheese. Ooh. That's our cheese. Then, we're just gonna add some cheese. And Adelina will put it in the oven. Okay ka ba?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, yes. So, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. And now, Adelina, put it in the oven until mag-melt yung cheese. And then, because of the bechamel, it's gonna be gratinated. So, put it in the oven, please.
How many minutes?
Until mag-melt. So, mga 5 to 8 minutes.
I put it in the oven in 5 minutes. Okay.
So, careful lang dahil galing siya sa oven. So, there. Para lang for green, no? And there you go. It's baked fish or baked cobbler. So, again, sana may magsabi sa comment, ano ba difference ng cobbler and cream dory? Basta ang alam ko, cream dory is in the same family as a cobbler. But, the label says it's a cobbler fish. I'm not sure if it's the one from Vietnam or the Philippines. But, whatever. This is our baked cobbler. Topped with bechamel, quick melt cheese, and some herbs. Perfect with pasta, perfect with rice, or even boiled potatoes. Happy cooking and enjoy! Surprise, it's me again. walang taste tester. So, ako na lang magte-taste. Pupurihin ko na lang sarili ko for today. So, look at that. So, basically, hindi na ako pwede mag-double dip. So, if you look at the fish, very creamy. I guess kasi nag-settle na yung ano talaga, yung bechamel. I use quick melt cheese kasi may konti pang kick. I guess matapang ako magtimpla. Kailangan medyo malasa. So, I like using quick melt or Eden cheese kasi para mas mataas yung sauce nito. Very good. It's not so salty. It's parang medyo the saltiness is just like lingering around your mouth. I like it because the tarragon, it has that powdery na mabango na scent. I don't know how else to describe tarragon, but tarragon is yung parang mahinhin na panglasa. Parang alam mo yun, yung taong ang ganda-ganda pero mahinhin, pero hindi niya alam na maganda siya. Parang ganun yung tarragon. So, ganun siya. You can really taste it. It's not so peppery, but it's very creamy. And I think I would prefer to have it with angel hair pasta with tomato sauce. Galing mo kusina ni Mrs. O. Sarap.